I like giving back to the people watching. So Spike would start giving away loads of these items and much, much more. So to win these prizes, all you need to do is the following. Thank you for your time. And by the way, I do giveaways on these channels as well, so check them out. Well, hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a better editor. Well, this is not only for Davinci Resolve users, it's for editors in general. Well, first of all, you should use shortcuts more, because doing a task multiple times every time you do a project is a time wasting. So if you can, try figuring out a shortcut for the action you are doing. Another tip is always learn, because you can become the great editor directly. It's all because of experience, and with time you would gain the experience. So try learning regularly, learning something new, checking out new tricks or something that looks nice, and try doing it. Well, honestly, I entered contests multiple times, which improved my editing skills sometimes, because I tried challenging myself and learning something new for prizes sometimes. And as I said, well, honestly, these are the main reasons to become a good editor. It is, of course, with time, if you are willing to improve and gain the knowledge, and also finding shortcuts. Thank you and see you next time.